Hello and welcome back in the new series of the videos. This time I'm back on my bike, it's the beginning of July 2024 and I'm again on the bloody motorway. But I'm going towards Poland. Well, I've got some family issues there, but nevertheless I will be riding my motorcycle in Poland, which means I will have some fun. But what's more, I'm going to prove that Poland is an amazing destination for motorcycle trips. So if you are planning to go there and you need a guide, feel free to message me. To be honest, it won't be just Poland. I will go to Slovakia, I will go somewhere else probably. You will see. There will be a surprise. But now let me surprise you with this car. Nice, right? Anyways, long story short, I arrived at the channel and I will cross it through the tunnel. But first, I will wait. In some good company. We couldn't miss the GS nowadays, could we? Luckily, there was just one. And finally, we are on board. And on board, I met my subscribers. Surprise, surprise. There are always some people who are watching this nonsense. Cheers, guys! I really wonder how was your trip to Romania. Hope it was good, because mine really was. And now I'm taking the long route through France, Belgium, Netherlands, Germany, up to Poland. But to be honest with you, I'm rather in the rush, because there will be torrential rains tomorrow. And that is why I'm on the motorway and I will try to get as far as possible today. So after a short stop for refueling, let's go onwards. And as you can see, on this bloody motorway I'm trying to have as much fun as humanly possible. I even nodded to the Virago rider. Impressive, right? And almost as soon as I reached Netherlands, the motorway was closed and there was a diversion. There was also a bit of rain, however not for long. But what was really good, I found a cool company to ride with. And you know what? That chap was from a big motorcycle club in Germany. And yep, they cannot ride in colors in Germany. What's more, he can't ride at all. He told me if police would catch him riding on a motorcycle, they would confiscate his bike. Don't know why exactly, don't know what's going on there, but anyway, I'm happy not to live in Germany. Anyway, buddy, if you are watching this video, thanks for that ride. Cheers!
Hello everyone, I'm on a second day of my trip. Well, I'm on the German motorway in the hotel room, which looks like crap because I lived here, see? Anyway, that was the cheapest hotel with 24 hours desk. Yesterday I did 750 miles on the motorway. I was thinking it would be extremely boring, luckily it wasn't. Also thankfully that I had some company for, I don't know, 200 miles maybe I was riding with one guy from the MC club. Anyways, today I only have 300 miles to do in total. Actually, the reason why I did so many miles yesterday is the weather. And yesterday the weather was good, it was all okay. But today it's not. Let me show you that. Just look at that. See the clouds? What clouds? Huh. Yeah, there's the hotel. Crap. But it is what it is. I'm jumping on a bike and I'm leaving Germany soon. But first I need to reach Berlin and then off we go there.
So, the plan for now is really simple. I will jump on the motorway, on A2 motorway, I will go up to the Polish border and then I will quit motorway and I will use it no more. Nice car, eh? There is more of them. Just look at that. I think they might be coming from an event which was in Berlin right now, which was called Roadrunner's Paradise.
Po śniadaniu, po tankowaniu jedziemy dalej.
Well, and I just said that I'm going further. What a surprise! But anyway, back to the topic. Today I'm going to visit my friend near Poznań in Poland. We'll probably have some small party there. And then I will go to my mom's flat in Toruń. But right now, I'm crossing to Poland. Look at that! And yes, it's about time to quit that bloody motorway. But look, it's raining again. Not for long though, because I left that stupid road and straight away the weather improved. And we've got the castle. Sort of. And look at that! That was 40 miles an hour speed limit on that straight empty road. Seriously. But why? Because they can. It's Poland. Look at the beauty of those buildings. Just next to something like that. However, that post-German architecture is rather nice, isn't it? But now there is a big question. Are you prepared for that? Well, that is rather famous monument in Poland, but to be honest, I never seen it before, because I'm not generally interested in those things, if you know what I mean. So, let's take a look.
Look at that.
Now picture that. They built it in 2010, so it's 21st century. Really? And it's the tallest Jesus statue in the world. Seriously. And now let's take a look at that. What do we have here? I always wondered what people are thinking decorating their bikes with studs and leathers and flags and... Tell me in the comment section, please. In the meantime, time to go. And look, I almost died here. But yes, Jesus saved me. And yep, as I was saying, I never seen that masterpiece before, but I did it especially for you. So you can thank me in the comments and give me thumbs up. But now let's admire the Polish fields and the beauty of the landscape. Like warehouses? But it's nice for the warehouse, isn't it? Anyway, short break because I arrived in Poznań.
Hello friends, we've got another lovely day. I actually arrived in Poland yesterday, but I'm at my friend's house and we had a party yesterday, so there was nothing to film. But now, in a few minutes I will be starting and I'm heading towards my mom's flat, where I will spend some time. So I've got like 200 miles to go today, not even that, maybe 100. And I will show a piece of road, but that will be it.
But first, my mate has to test ride my motorcycle. He said it's brilliant, but later he bought Moto Guzzi. He's a maniac. Okay, I'm back on it again, and now I'm going to Toruń as I said. What is really stupid, I will spend 1 week there, with my family taking care of the business and stuff, and in a week's time I will do the same route again. I will visit my friend again because there will be another party, but the bigger one. But now I'm taking B-roads of Polish countryside. And look, it's rather beautiful there. Leak time!
but it's soft. Full of sand.
And yeah, I really hate sand. And now, my friends, we are 1 week later and I'm heading exactly the same way back. Just to see more of my friends. The weather forecast was saying it will be beautiful, but only on my route. Everywhere else it was raining.
And look again. I'm on the petrol station, just refilled the bike. I got 30 kilometers to go, which is 20 miles. But it can be a bit of an off-road because it looks like there is no roads in between somehow. So let's see that.
But first, let's take a look at the map. I've got two possible routes, but in the middle there is one big nothingness. There are absolutely no roads there. If you don't trust me, look at that. Nothing, right? Absolutely nothing here. So I decided to go this way. Because why not? I can. You wonder how it went? Let's go back then.
Very nice road.
So far so good. No sand here.
I came from there and the middle of nowhere. There are people.
Look, I found the tarmac. But hey, let's go back to the gravel road. Really nice area. What you reckon? Well, to be honest with you, it's not bad really. But look at that. I reached the civilization. And yep, I arrived. Well, quite a few of my mates came here on some nice motorcycles. That's a weird mix of motorcycles.
Ja wiem, co się stało. Motor się zepsuł.
Powiem ci tak, to jest Honda, tam się nie zagląda.
We've got Sunday, the day after the party. I feel relatively well. Day after the party, meaning the party was for 2 days, and I'm going back to Toruń, Poland, and see you there.
So yes, same route again, but I took a few different turns to see something new. Anyway, what happened now? I actually came back to Toruń. I spent 2 weeks there with my family. I rode my motorcycle around. I seen a few things here and there, like nice roads, nice places. And after that, I decided to go on another motorcycle trip somewhere. No, that's just a local trip. That's the river Vistula, the main river in Poland. The trip will be in 2 weeks, and that will be a special trip with my very good mate, Paul. You may remember him from the Italian trip last year. But first...
Look, where am I? My bike. And
If you follow me on Instagram, you might know that shop already. But hey, look at that!
Siema.
The storks! They are all over the place in Poland. Beautiful birds, really.
And look, guys, I'm in the middle of forest, but that's not quite true. I'm close to the main road. Well, tomorrow, actually not tomorrow, in 2 days we are starting the trip and we are going to Slovakia and to the mountains. And that should be brilliant, I hope so. And there is a surprise. There is my mate Paul coming with me, probably. But for today, I'm going back home, and that's everything for now.
But first, my daughter visited me and we went to see the Toruń, which is beautiful city. You should visit if you haven't done it yet. Really, really nice. Just look at that. But look what we did next. We went to the pub with my mate Paul. And look at the pub itself. It's really nice, eh? Tell you what, it really is. But it's all for now. Give me thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet, and see you in the next episode. Cheers!